Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to this stream summary of the week 33. This week it's a short week, had a little bit of time for me, and I did some kayaking, enjoying the sun, the summer, and it was really great. Let's get started. So only 3 things this week. So the first one was on Tuesday where I was with Nina. So Nina is very well known in the Python world. In fact, she is part of the board of Python. So she was my guest and she teach me, of course, Python, how to use it, build an application and deploy it in Azure. Really interesting. Then on Wednesday, I was back on my channel, on the Twitch channel, and I was building that tiny Blazor admin website. So this week was more focused on documentation, how to deploy it manually until we have an automatic process. So I want people to be able to do it manually. So this week was a little bit more documentation, but I think documentation is also very important. So on Friday, it was kind of the party of the week. I say party because I was celebrating 500 followers on my Twitch channel, so woo woo! I did some giveaway, but also we focused on the chatbot, try to save and reload some project information. So we're working right now on a part where we want the chatbot to generate some note for me, and the current project that we are working on is part of the information. So we struggle about doing it, but at the end it was all working. So anyway, that's it for this week. I hope you like that. And if you're interested to participate when we're live, all the link should appear in the description. So every day of the week, there's something. Feel free to reach out and ask your question. You're welcome. It's always a safe place to learn and have some fun. See you next time. Bye.